Yo, what's up? So I guess the meat is off. Freaking raining! Look at that sexy Subaru though. Look at it! You can't see it because it's not focused. I'm about to harass his ass.
Damn.
Hello. Oh, he's gone. It needs to stop raining. What the fuck, yo? Look. No, people do not like when you vlog in public. Like, what the fuck is this crazy person like sitting here talking to the camera?
People just don't understand. You might want to get
my boy.
I kept having to
right.
up in my tank.
So proud of the boy. It's probably gonna be the only car action y'all gonna see today. Cause like everybody's chicken shitty because it's fucking raining.
Yes. You start smelling fuel in your car? I was smelling fuel when that thing burst.
Look at this shit! He getting kidnapped! What the fuck? Oh, that's that thing. Ah! Oh my god! You penis!
I know about penis.
You know what?
How many? 4.
11.
11?
I'm putting all this on the vlog. Go on, keep doing it.
Oh, ain't that convenient? That's my name. Hey, buddy.
Look at this disgrace right here. What? This Baltimore.
Okay, guess what?
I'm wearing Baltimore too.
Oh, that's even. Get out of here now. What?
I already know what I want. I don't need to look at this. That ain't right.
We's in that hot. The little chickens ain't show up tonight. So it's just me, Ray-Rob. I'm right here. What? I'm right here. And then Courtney. I don't know if Vincent is on the show. Or anybody else. But everyone's. It's like 3 other big meets tonight. So I don't know. I was very productive today. I edited like 4 or 5 vlogs. Y'all for this. I think the vlog you're gonna see.
He's back.
Vlog.
That was quick.
What the fuck?
Just got all ass in that camera. Just got all ass in that camera.
You see what I had to deal with?
You ain't gotta deal with shit, man. I'm black. I just need security. You gotta call it. You know what? I work in a construction site. I hear some wild shit jokes. Like this one. It's this black guy that's on the job. He said, see, I got a white girl, so I always told her I'm gonna supply the cookies and the cream. I'm like, it's like she might not get as much cream, but she gonna get a hell of a lot of cookies. I'm like,
what the dude? Construction?
No, he's like, cookie? And then
oh my god. Dude.
Bruh. Oh my god. We're sitting installing a light from a junction box. And I'm like, dog, don't make me laugh right now because this junction box is live.
Are you serious?
Yes.
The junction box is live, but the breaker that we're working on is off.
Yes.
I mean, junction box, you can't turn it off.
This shit looks so good, bruh.
It fucking flew off the fucking road.
That's
stupid. What a spark plug. No spark does.
Yo, back home. Nothing. Everybody was scared of the rain, so nobody showed up except for like the normals. But yeah, this is gonna be a short ass vlog. But there was so much shit going on that I should have recorded though, man. But yeah, had a good time. Shout out to my boy Courtney. So proud of you. Happy you got your car. Happy everything's good with you, bro. Can't wait till you start gapping motherfuckers or walking motherfuckers. But yeah, man. So I'm out. The cop down the street, he's a sheriff now. He was an unmarked. Hold up, and I'm gonna show you this shit that them motherfuckers, them little kids did to my fucking car. I'm gonna show you if it shows up. Hold up. Fuck it. I don't know if you can see that shit. It's like, shit, you can't see it though. Hold up. Yeah, you can see that bubble. Like they did that shit with that fucking football, cause it fucking hit my fucking car. But lady's out now. I'm gonna talk to her tomorrow. Yeah, I don't want to talk to her now because she's probably in a rush. But I'm gonna talk to her tomorrow and shit. But yeah, she seems upset with the kid, so I'm gonna let her chill out. But shit. But yeah, so I'm out. Treat others how you want to be treated. That also means behind the wheel, because your life is no more important than anyone else. Peace. I'm out. And this demon. Demon. Your mother.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.